Do you know anybody who's vegan like me? If you do, stick around because you're going to want to see what's cooking.
Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 53 of Two Kid Reviews. I'm Abigail, this is Kalifa, and we are reviewing the book,
The Vegan Baker.
This book hits shelves today.
Of course, there's only one way to start when reviewing a cookbook. You gotta do it.
Exactly. The first recipe we are going to try are the blueberry muffins.
I love a good muffin.
Who doesn't love a good muffin?
Ready to try?
Let's go.
The blueberry muffins are in the oven, and now
It's time to make chocolate chip cookies. First, let's try the muffin.
that's really good.
Oh yeah. Okay, Kalifa, put the muffin down because now we gotta go to the cookie.
Fine.
So good!
What did you think of what we baked?
I really enjoyed it. I did have one problem with the book though.
What's that?
I do like when cookbooks put right by the ingredients how much time, both active and total time, a recipe takes. That can impact what you try, but
True.
this one didn't have it.
True.
What did you think of the recipes we tried?
Absolutely delicious. I need more. I can't wait to try the rest.
Same. There you have it. The Vegan Baker hits bookshelves today and has plenty of recipes for Kalifa and her brothers.
Thank you for watching this episode of Two Kid Reviews. I'm Kalifa, this is Abigail,
And see you next time!